Checking back in. Week 8 of flower for this girl, Whitechapel. What we really gonna do today is we're gonna worry about these permanent markers here. Like I said in the previous video, we have 5 of these permanent markers. Well, technically 6, because 2 of these are in the same pot. So what we're gonna do today is these are in 7-gallon pots, and I am actually using cocoa coir in these 7-gallon pots. I believe it's the Bush Doctor Happy or Fox Farm Bush Doctor Cocoa and Perlite. But it looks like these girls are a little thirsty and maybe a little hungry from what I'm seeing here. So what we're gonna do is take a look at the reservoir for each one of these AC Infinity self-watering pots, and we're going to check and see if they need to be refilled, because I believe it is about that time. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll check back in with you guys. So after inspecting all of the reservoirs, it looks like they all do need water. So I'm going to go ahead and give them about 2 liters of this pH water's pH to like 6.4, 6.3, 6.4, and we're just gonna fill them up. I'm only gonna show this one. I'm not gonna sit here and make y'all watch me do this for all 5 of these plants, or all 6 of these plants. So, go ahead and finish this one up and show you what the res looks like, and we'll move on to the next thing.
Change just to grind at the beans, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. Speaking of my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll calls, now they want my photos down. I wish I could do it again, but then I won't be who I am. And I really love who I am. I used to skip out on exams. Now I write hits.
Trying to check out this res. Sorry for the camera. It's hard to move around in here a little bit. These leaves. It's like the little red bars all the way at the top though, so we are good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the rest of these, and I did see some stuff that I want to take a look at. This plant back here just had a little bit too much cover crop, so we'll go ahead and take care of that. This is what I do when I want to maintain my garden, just being a steward to the plants. We'll go ahead and chop this down, feed it back to the soil, and we'll water in some nice microbes on top of all of this. Should break down real nice. Let the plant take that up. Hands free, baby. Hands free.
short. Life goes on.
I also prepared some recharge as well. So I get all this chopped down, get it all mixed up. Get some worm castings under there as well. Get all that mixed up. Get the hay back, the barley straw back on top of the chopped up grass, cover crop. I mean, and then we'll just water it in and let the microbes do their thing. Let Mother Nature take over. This has been the easiest way to grow so far for me. I'm just experimenting to see, like what works for me, what doesn't work for me. And these AC Infinity self-watering pots are pretty amazing. It gives me so much leeway to like not have to worry about my plants, because they'll just uptake the water as they need it, because it's a wicking system, so you can't overwater them with the self-watering pots. And it gives you the option to spray in some of the plant's goodies, like recharge, or if you want to do amino acids, or anything that you would like, ferments, anything you would like to insert into your regimen, you can do that and not be, you got some leeway. So it's another reason why I like the bottom watering pots. It makes it a little easier to garden. And then if you use time release nutrients as well, that also takes a lot of pain away from you later on down the road. Because once that runs out, you can just water in, liquid nutrients, or like some green rush or something like that. So you just have options when you bottom water. And now I'm getting shit all over the place because, man, I'm fucking with these plants for like 30 minutes trying to get this shit recorded, bro. But yeah, that's about it. Just sum up, I pretty much do this for all of the plants. So like I said, I'm not gonna make you guys watch that because it's painful to watch. But stay tuned for that Mars Hydro clone to harvest video. It's coming soon. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm out.